Hey, it's Aaron, and if you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Interactive Brokers, and maybe you're wondering, is this a legit trading platform? Can you make money this way, or is this a complete waste of time? Let's check it out, all right? Anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month or more, 100% from home, click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways, different strategies, different business models to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, big waste of time. So let's check out Interactive Brokers to find out whether this trading platform will help you to generate more income, or is it a big waste of time? Maybe there are better ways out there. All right. Now, Interactive Brokers is a very established online trading platform. They've been around for quite a while. They have won many awards. You can see right here. Okay. It's basically top choice for Nerd Wallet in 2024, Best Broker Award for advanced traders for Investopedia. It's a great application, okay? This is actually the application I use to invest into stocks and ETFs as well, right? Now, the nice thing about Interactive Brokers is that it's available in a lot of countries, okay? So I'm just gonna scroll down here and just show you that they're available in 150 markets, in 34 countries around the world, in 28 currencies. All right, so they're very flexible. I'm just going to go to the countries available here. I'm not going to go through all of them, but you can see that they're available in a lot of different small countries as well. I mean, even in Bermuda, for example, yeah, Aruba. Okay, these are some very small islands, and they are available there as well. South America, Europe. Okay, all over Asia as well. Okay, so it's great. It's available in a lot of different countries. So I would say that for most people, Interactive Brokers will be available for. All right. Now they have two different types of levels. They've got two levels. One is for casual. They call it Interactive Brokers Lite. And they have for more advanced traders that want to do day trading. All right, so if you want to make this a full-time thing, you can also do that on Interactive Brokers. Now, for casual traders, for light, you're allowed to basically trade with free stocks and ETFs based in the US, right? For advanced traders, which is called Pro, there's a huge range of tradable securities, including foreign stocks, a little bit more expensive, okay, but still very cheap for an international trading platform, right? Now, the nice thing is that they've got desktop and mobile. There is no account minimum, there's no monthly fees, and the nice thing is you can buy fractional shares, which means that you can buy less than one share if you want. Because for some companies, one share could be $800, for example, right? So maybe you don't want to, buy a whole share. You could literally buy a fraction of that share for $1 or $2, which is really cool. Okay, so that means you can basically manage your own budget, and whether you have a lot of money or just a little bit of money, you can get started by investing into different stocks and funds, right? Now, the nice thing is that you can buy international stocks, you can buy US stocks, you can do ETFs, you can do mutual funds. There's a lot of different financial instruments that you can invest in and buy and trade with Interactive Brokers, which is really nice. Okay, again, you can see here low fees, right? Margin rates up to 50% lower than industry. I mean, they've done a really good job of making financial instruments, stocks, funds, ETFs available to the normal average person at very low margins. Okay, there are some trading platforms out there, for example, like eToro, that was very popular, still pretty popular now, but their rates are extremely high. All right, you're gonna get ripped off with people like eToro. I like Interactive Brokers because basically they almost charge nothing for you to buy and hold your stocks internationally, and they're available in so many different countries. All right, another thing that I really like about them is they've got some pretty great features. Okay, they've got the volatility lab, they've got heat maps, they've got advanced charting, they've got paper trading, they've got the mutual fund replicator, they've got customized alerts so that you can customize whatever is important to you, especially if you're an advanced trader and you're using IBKR Pro. All right, if you're using IBKR Lite, it's just very easy. You can go in there and buy whatever stocks and funds you want. I'm just gonna log in and show you my portfolio here. Okay, so I've just blanked this out because I don't necessarily want to reveal personal information, but you can see that it's very simple. This is my actual portfolio view. All right, so this is on the desktop mode. Just log in, and these are some of my positions right here. Just to give you an idea, I like to buy long-term infrastructure type businesses And my strategy is to buy and hold for the long term. There are lots of different strategies. You can buy and hold for the medium term. You can buy and hold for, the short term, or you can do day trading where you're literally buying and holding for a few hours, a few days. Now, that's much more advanced, okay? And you're going to have to learn how to do that. And so that leads me on to talking about, the disadvantages of using Interactive Brokers, right? So even though it is a great platform, it is designed for both the casual trader, the beginner trader, or the advanced trader, people that want to make this a full-time thing. You want to day trade, for example. It's really good. It is everything that you need. But the problem is that there is a lot of information on the platform, okay? So unfortunately, the thing that Interactive Brokers doesn't do very well is it doesn't teach you how to use the platform very well, all right? So I had to go to a YouTube video to figure out how to buy and sell a stock, all right, unfortunately. So they don't have the best training available, and there can be a lot of information if you are willing to take the time to learn the platform a little bit, all right. They also have no IPO stocks available, and they have no over-the-counter stocks available. Again, that's not necessarily a big deal for some people, especially if you're a beginner trader, but I just wanted to mention that just in case you are interested in IPO or OTC stocks, okay? But otherwise, I think that Interactive Brokers is really good. I mean, once you can get around, just purchasing stocks, because the thing is that, with when it comes to trading platforms, there's just a lot of info, right? And so you have to get used to the interface. And once you get used to the interface and you understand where you need to go to just buy and hold a stock or to sell a stock, that's really all you need to do. Then it's really not too bad. I think, in terms of location availability, being available in this many countries, 34 countries, 150 regions around the world, having super duper low or no fees, it's just really unbeatable. It's very difficult to beat Interactive Brokers. So I think that as an investment and trading platform, if you want to buy stocks, funds, ETFs internationally and locally, I think this is a great platform. I use it personally. So if you want to check it out, interactivebrokers.com. Now, what I do want to say about a trading platform, which is very important, okay, since this is a channel about making money, is that when it comes to buying and trading stocks and funds, this is something that you have to use. You got to have capital for this, right? So, you have to have at least a little bit of capital. Look, if you've got $10 to invest, you should probably, save a little bit more and do something else with that. If you've got a few $1,000s, you can, obviously start here. A few $100s, you can probably start as well. But it's very important to understand that when it comes to buying and selling stocks, unless you are an advanced day trader where you can make a lot more money quickly that way, and that requires a lot of time and effort because you have to learn how to do that. If you're a beginner, investing is something that's going to take a little bit of time, and there is obviously a big element of risk as well, okay? So don't expect to get rich from trading, because trading and buying stocks and funds, for the most part, for 90% of people, the average beginner trader, this is something that's going to take a medium to long-term view. Okay, when I say medium to long term, I'm talking 5, 10, 20 years. My investment strategy is a 20-year strategy. It's not a 1 month or 2 week kind of strategy, right? That's more day trading. That's very, very advanced. You're gonna have to learn how to do that. Unfortunately, Interactive Brokers doesn't teach you how to do that. So I just wanted to make that very, very clear, especially if you're a beginner and you're watching this and you're interested in getting into stocks and funds. It's definitely a way for you to generate income, but for the most part, for most people, it is a medium to long-term strategy, right? If you're looking for more short-term cash flow, I would say that this is probably not the right way to do it unless you're already an advanced trader or you're looking to do that, right? Otherwise, if you're here watching this on this channel, I have reviewed many different strategies on this channel. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, all right? I've even invested a lot of my own money to test different strategies out. And out of all of these different strategies, aside from investing in stocks and funds, there was one strategy that I discovered in 2019 that completely changed my life. I quit my full-time job because of it. I 5 times my old corporate salary. I make multiple 5 figures from this strategy. I do it 100% from home. I think it's a great strategy for anybody that's looking to make money online. Maybe you're a beginner, you've never done this before. I've got a free masterclass that shows you exactly how I do this step by step. You can click the link all the way at the bottom if you would like to check that out, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Interactive Brokers. I wish you all the best, and I will see you on another video review. Take care.